Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? I hope you all are fine, happy, and healthy. I am Kausar Liaquat, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture. This is lecture number 8 of mathematics for the students of level 2. Here you need some stationery items like pencil, eraser, notebook, countdown to third edition so that you can write down the important points. Here is your first term syllabus. You can also download it from the official website of Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. In this lecture, we will learn subtraction of 0 and 1 and few pages of chapter 3. In chapter 3, we will learn subtraction. Our topic is subtraction with 0 and 1, subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Learning objectives. At the end of this lecture, the students will be able to define subtraction, to solve subtraction sums quickly, to do quick calculation while shopping. We should recall some important points from our previous lecture. What is 0 and 1? Why we use them? Do you remember? Yes. To show nothing or no object, we use 0. 0 means nothing. To show a single object, we use 1. What is subtraction? Subtraction means taking things away. Subtraction is the process of removing objects from a given collection. We should remember some important points. While doing subtraction, we should always start to subtract the numbers from one's column. In subtraction, the order of the number matters, that is, 5 minus 2 equals 7, but 2 minus 5 is not equal 7. It is quite different. The answer of the subtraction is called difference. First, we will learn to do subtraction of 0 from any number. Before doing subtraction with 0, we should recall some important points from lecture 6. We have studied when we add 0 to any number, the number stays the same. There will be no change in the number. यानी जब भी हम 0 को किसी नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो वो नंबर चेंज नहीं होगा, वो सेम रहेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 प्लस 0 इक्वल्स 5, 6 प्लस 0 इक्वल्स 6. 5 में 0 को ऐड किया तो कोई चेंज नहीं आया, आंसर हमारे पास 5 ही आया है. 6 में 0 को ऐड किया तो कोई चेंज नहीं आया, 6 ही आया है. अब हम देखते हैं कि सब्ट्रैक्शन करने से क्या आंसर आता है. Now we solve an example. Here you can see we have 6 mangoes. No mango is eaten, so we are left with 6 mangoes. In horizontal form, we can write this question as 6 minus 0 equals 6. In vertical form, we can write as we have 5 mangoes. No mango is eaten, so we are left with 5 mangoes. In horizontal form, we can write this question 5 minus 0 equals 5. In vertical form, we can write this question as We have a conclusion from above examples. We have 6 minus 0 equals 6. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Similarly, we can say 3 minus 0 equals 3 and 2 minus 0 equals 2. So we can conclude when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. For bigger numbers, we will follow the same rule. For example, 58 minus 0 equals 58. 69 minus 0 equals 69. 17 minus 0 equals 17. 576 minus 0 equals 576. 127 minus 0 equals 127. 624 minus 0 equals 624. You have some questions for practice. Just write the same number in the answer. Now we do subtraction of 1 from any number. In this example, we have 7 flowers. I have plucked out 1 flower. How many flowers are left? Can you tell me? Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flowers. So we are left with 6 flowers. And we can write this question like this. 7 minus 1 equals 6. This is the horizontal form of the question. And in vertical form, we can write it like this. We have 5 flowers. 1 flower is plucked out. How many flowers are left? Now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are left with 4 flowers. In horizontal form, we can write 5 minus 1 equals 4. And in vertical form, we can write it like this. We have a conclusion from above examples. We have 7 minus 1 equals 6, which comes before 7. 5 minus 1 equals 4, which comes before 5. So we can say 4 minus 1 equals 3 and 3 minus 1 equals 2. So we can conclude when we subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the previous number. यानी 1 को जब भी किसी नंबर में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हम प्रीवियस नंबर लिखेंगे. Now for bigger numbers, we can write 65 minus 1 equals 64. 46 minus 1 equals 45. 95 minus 1 equals 94. 653 minus 1 equals 652. 164 minus 1 equals 163. 725 minus 1 equals 724. Here you have some questions for your practice. 46 minus 1. क्या हम सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए काउंट करेंगे? नहीं, हम प्रीवियस नंबर को थिंक करेंगे. 46 से पहले 45 आता है. So 46 minus 1 equals 45. Don't worry, you can do the question easily. Just think about the previous number. Do practice. This will help you in your mental math. You have already learned subtraction of one-digit numbers in class 1. Now we solve a question to revise the concept. Here we have 7 pencils. 4 pencils are taken out. How many pencils are left? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We are left with 3 pencils. In horizontal form, we can write 7 minus 4 equals 3. In vertical form, we can write 7 minus 4 equals 3. Subtraction of two-digit numbers without conversion, 95 minus 42. First, we will write the question in vertical form. Be careful while writing the numbers. 95 should be written on the top and 42 in the bottom. Now we start subtraction from ones column. In ones column, we have 5 minus 2 equals 3. So write 3 in the ones place of the answer. Now in tens column, we have 9 minus 4 equals 5. So write 5 in the tens place of the answer. So 95 minus 42 equals 53. Page 41. Question 1. Do you remember how to subtract with big numbers? Start with ones, then subtract the tens. F part 98 minus 76. We will start from ones column. 8 minus 6 equals 2. So we will write 2 in the ones place of the answer. Now from tens column, we have 9 minus 7 equals 2. So write 2 in the tens place of the answer. So 98 minus 76 equals 22. Subtraction of two-digit numbers with conversion, 95 minus 27. We will start subtraction from ones column. In ones column, the top number is 5, which is less than the bottom number. Can we subtract 7 from 5? No, because the top number is less than the bottom number. इसकी एग्जाम्पल हम इस तरह से समझेंगे. अगर हमारे पास बास्केट में 5 पेंसिल्स हैं और मैं आपसे कहूं कि मुझे बास्केट से 7 पेंसिल्स निकाल कर दे दें, तो क्या आप 7 पेंसिल्स निकाल कर ला सकते हैं? नहीं, आप कहेंगे बास्केट में सिर्फ 5 पेंसिल्स हैं. इसीलिए जब भी टॉप नंबर बॉटम नंबर से लेस होगा तो हम सब्ट्रैक्शन नहीं कर सकते. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम नेक्स्ट कॉलम से बोरो करेंगे. नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज टेंस कॉलम. इन टेंस कॉलम द टॉप नंबर इज 9. जब हम टेंस कॉलम से 110 को बोरो करेंगे तो हमारे पास टेंस कॉलम में 8 टेंस रह जाएंगे. सो वी विल राइट 8 in the top of the tens column. What should we do with the 110 which we have borrowed? Remember 110 equals 10 ones. जो 110 हमने बोरो किया था उसको हमने 10 वंस में कन्वर्ट कर लिया है. अब हम 10 वंस को 5 वंस में ऐड करेंगे. सो हमारे पास 15 वंस आ जाएंगे. So we will write 15 in the top of the ones column. Now we will subtract the digits from the ones column. In ones column, we have 15 minus 7, which is equals 8. So we will write 8 in the ones place of the answer. Now we will subtract digits from the tens column. In tens column, we have 8 minus 2 equals 6. So write 6 in the tens place of the answer. So 95 minus 27 equals 68. Page 43, question 3, Help Tiger do the sums. Part H, 54 minus 36. We will start subtraction from ones column. In ones column, the top number is 4, which is less than the bottom number. So we will borrow 110 from the tens column. यहाँ हमारे पास टेंस कॉलम में 5 टेंस हैं. जब हमने 110 को बोरो किया तो हमारे पास 4 टेंस रह जाएंगे. सो राइट 4 ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द टेंस कॉलम. अब हम 110 को 10 वंस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. सो 110 इक्वल्स 10 वंस. अब 10 वंस को 4 वंस में ऐड करते हैं. 10 ones plus 4 ones equals 14 ones. So we will write 14 on the top of the ones column. Now In ones column, we have 14 minus 6, which is equal to 8. So write 8 in the ones place of the answer. Now in tens column, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So write 1 in the tens place of the answer. So 54 minus 36 equals 18. Page 44, question 5. Use subtraction to answer these. Part B. There are 64 cans of cola. The children drink 48 cans. How many are left? इस क्वेश्चन में 64 कैंस हैं और बच्चों ने 48 कैंस पी लिए हैं। हमसे पूछा गया है कितने कैन बाकी रह गए हैं। यहाँ हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन को क्यों यूज करना है? Remember the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means taking things away. चीजों को निकालना। यहाँ 64 कैन में से 48 कैन्स इस्तेमाल हुए हैं, इसीलिए हम subtraction करेंगे। In subtraction, the order of the number matters. So be careful while writing the number. We will write 64 on the top and 48 in the bottom. Now we start subtraction from ones column. In ones column, the top number is 4, which is less than the bottom number. So we will borrow 110 from the tens column. Tens column में top number 6 है. जब हमने 110 को borrow किया तो हमारे पास 5 tens रह जाएंगे. So write 5 on the top of the tens column. Now we have 110 equals 10 ones. अब 10 ones को 4 ones में add करेंगे. 10 ones plus 4 ones equals 14 ones. So write 14 on the top of the ones column. Now in ones column we have 14 minus 8 equals 6. So write 6 in the ones place of the answer. Now in tens column, 5 minus 4 equals 1. So write 1 in the tens place of the answer. So 64 minus 48 equals 16. So we are left with 16 cans of cola. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without conversion. Page 45, question 1. Help Tiger to do her sums. Part J. 596 minus 210. We will start subtraction from the ones column. In ones column, we have 6 minus 0 equals 6. So write 6 in the ones place of the answer. In tens column, we have 9 minus 1 equals 8. So write 8 in the tens place of the answer. Now in hundred column, we have 5 minus 2 equals 3. So write 3 in the hundred place of the answer. So 596 minus 210 equals 386. Page 45, question 1. Help Tiger to do her sums, part N. 606 minus 102. Start subtraction from the ones column. In ones column, 6 minus 2 equals 4. So write 4 in the ones place of the answer. In tens column, we have 0 minus 0. So we write 0 in the tens place of the answer. In hundred column, we have 6 minus 1 equals 5. So write 5 in the hundred place of the answer. So 606 minus 102 equals 504. Now it's your homework time. Your homework is chapter 3, topic subtraction. Solve the questions on your book from the related pages of your first term syllabus. You should think some important points. When you subtract do you get fewer or more objects than the number of objects you started with? Do you have to count to subtract 0 to any number? Do you have to count to subtract 1 to any number? Thanks to listen the video lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.